Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D. Let's trace. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for coin. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.